Hi, I'm Alex, and just wondering, have you ever had any questions about how stars or galaxies are formed out there? Well, this PowerPoint would answer some questions that you might have. So enjoy. Okay, so my PowerPoint is on science, more specifically space, galaxies, and star formations by Alexandria. Space. Astronomy is basically the study of the universe and the celestial objects in it. The people who study astronomy are called astronomers. Space is basically made up of gas and dust. Introduction to galaxies. All galaxies contain at least three things: stars, planets, and dust. Galaxies that have more dust usually create more stars, since stars form from dust and gas and nebulae. Some older galaxies have almost no dust, since almost all of it was used in making stars. Components of galaxies. Some other components that galaxies include are black holes, dark matter, and star clusters. Black holes. A black hole is a part of space where gravity is so strong that even light can't escape. At least at least one black hole is believed to be in each and every galaxy in the universe, including ours. A black hole affects its surroundings using its immense gravitational pull. It can pull a star into it, therefore destroying the star and making the black hole bigger. Black holes continued. The Milky Way's black hole is very large. Astronomers have estimated that stars have been pulled in by the black hole for more than 7 billion years. They have also estimated that the mass of our black hole is equivalent to the weight of 3 million stars, that is comparable to the size of our sun. Dark matter. Though there are many objects in space, would you believe that those objects make up less than 10% of the total matter found in space? 90% of the matter can't even be seen with the telescope. That 90% of the matter is named dark matter. Dark matter continued. Dark matter is the matter found in space which is invisible, as it doesn't come into contact with light or any other radiation. Astronomers used to wonder why the stars, which revolve so quickly in the middle of the Milky Way, don't get thrown off. They now believe that the Milky Way is held together by the gravitational force of something that we can't see. That something is dark matter. The gravity that is found in the universe is thought mainly to be created by dark matter. Star clusters. Star clusters are a group of stars that are found in galaxies. They are a large group of stars that occur in a small part of space. There are two main types of star clusters: open clusters and global clusters. Open clusters have around a couple hundred to a couple thousand stars. They are basically the youngest stars of the galaxy. Globular star clusters are, in contrast, the oldest. They have many more stars than open clusters and form a shape like a sphere because of the gravity from the stars. The two star clusters. The first picture you see is an open star cluster, and the second one is a globular star cluster. On to galaxies. The four pictures you see here are the four main types of galaxies. So they are, and galaxies usually take the form of one of these shapes. They are spiral, barred spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Spiral galaxies. Spiral galaxies are named for the arms that spiral from the galaxy center. It has a flat disk, a bulge, and arms that arc out which contain regions of nebulae. Spiral galaxies are normally made up of two things: a flat, large disk that normally has a lot of matter from space, and many younger clusters of stars. Barred spiral galaxies. Almost half of the spiral galaxies, including the Milky Way, looks like it has a bar across the middle. These are called barred spiral galaxies. These galaxies are a type of spiral galaxies. Stars, gas, and dust fill the bars, and they rotate as if they were solid objects. Elliptical galaxies. Elliptical galaxies is a result when other galaxies join together. They have a lot less dust and gas contained in them, so star formation is far and few. Elliptical galaxies range in shape from circles to long cigar-shaped. Most stars found in elliptical galaxies are old and red. These galaxies also have a great range in size. Some of the galaxies stretch to be over 1 million light years in diameter, while others are less than 1/10 of the Milky Way. Irregular galaxies. Some galaxies have a shape that is not spiral or elliptical. These are called irregular galaxies. The reason the form is distorted may be caused by the irregular galaxy colliding with another galaxy. Another reason could be that it got close enough that the other galaxy's gravitational force took its stars away. Star formation. All stars are born in nebulae. Nebulae are often called star nurseries because stars develop from their dust and gas. The birth of stars begins when a nebula collapses. The collapse may be caused by anything from the gravitational attraction coming from another star to the shock coming from an exploding star. Star formation continued. As a nebula continues to collapse, the part that has the most matter contained within it will start to bring in matter using its gravity. The material that falls into the core contains extra energy and will cause the material to spin. The pressure will build and the atoms will heat up. Slowly, the temperature goes up and the core of the ball of materials will start to glow. This is called a protostar, which is the first stage of a star's formation. Random facts. Though we are actually unable to physically count each and every star in our universe, we estimate that the number of stars is around there's around so many. We truly are smaller than we think. This is my bibliography. My bibliography continued. And these are for the pictures. And thank you for watching. Okay, so that was it. That was my PowerPoint. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned a little bit about space and how galaxies and stars are formed. Thank you for watching.